Hello crystal lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel Divine Light and the page called Hello Crystals. Today I'm going to talk about how the crystals choose you. Again, it's not you choose the crystals. Most of the time crystals and gemstones and jewelries with the gemstones choose you. This is very important topic, how to choose your favorite and dream crystal. Let's say today I have many crystals, and also where I get my crystals in United Arab Emirates, Dubai. I will link below the companies which I deal with crystals, which I get my crystals. So let's say you're visiting one of the crystal shop, and then you're going through the crystals, what is they displayed on the showcases, and you will see plenty of crystals. Before you visit the crystal shop, before you even have intention to get your dream crystal, you need to clear certain things up. You need to know why we need this crystal. For my personal life, why I need this crystal. Is it for my inner peace? Is it because I'm on stress? Is it because I need to study, so I need to focus? Calm the energy where you're living, your environment, and also the positive way, how to increase vibration through crystals. There are some crystals they can reach to higher level and increase all the vibration on your living space. And health issues, also there is a lot of crystals helps you. Also as a jewelry, you like to wear them out, and last not least, it can help you as a decorative item for the crystal lovers and crystal collectors out there. So this is the reasons I personally use my crystals. So now let's say you make intention, you make idea, you took a solution for the crystals issues and your issues, and how the crystal helps you in that issues. And then now you can go through my crystals, Hello Crystals page. What are the crystals? What is the health benefits and healing properties? Today we will talk about, let's say, a crystal, a gemstone, tumblestone. I have rose quartz. This is the main crystal stone for love. Give and receive. It's a two-way. To give love and to receive love. Okay. So I dedicated this stone especially for Archangel Uriel and Virgin Mother Mary. Pure and beautiful and full of light and full of unconditional love. So if you lost your loved ones who used to love you so much, who used to be next to you, or let's say if your relationship doesn't work properly, and there is a lot of worries and pain in the relationship, and somehow you need more love to fill your heart and to give pure love to others. So if you're having issues, blockages on your heart chakra also, I use rose quartz. You can use pink stone or green stone. When it's come to green stone, I prefer bloodstone or jade crystal. The third option which I use, rose quartz, the pink color. So now when you go through the crystal shops or crystal shops online, you don't choose right away. Sometimes there is many varieties. Even in the shops, even in online, there is not always only one particular crystal type. There is a varieties. If you choose rose quartz, you will get tumblestone, rough version, jewelries, rings, and etc. So you go through, you take your time, you go through, and if your mind is click with one stone, let's say it's more shinier than the other stone, or let's say it's more round shape or tumble stone, or let's say even it's a rough stone, but your attraction, your eyes, it stop right there, and the crystal saying, I am the one, please speak, I am the one. I can give you all the vibration, I can give you peace, I can give you love. You stop right there and you concentrate, you focus on the crystal. And then in that way, you come to know from your inner self. You can ask your guidance, you can ask your archangel, also you can ask your guardian angel. Guardian angel is the angel always holding your hand next to you, in you. So you can ask, I call upon my guardian angel and the guardian angel name, and also how to ask guardian angel name, how to know your guardian angel name, even how he looks like. One of my video coming up on Archangel page. So you can ask, is this the right crystal gonna help me through my issues? Is this the right crystal I can give my all love and take love, give and receive? And then you choose the crystal in that way. Always my personal advice for you, don't be in a rush. Even though it's the online crystals, take time, take days, and let the dreams come to you. You can ask your archangels to come to you on your dreams and give the message. Is this the crystal really I want? So take your time. Take enough time for yourself to choose exactly the stone you need, and then choose your crystal and purchase your crystal, and then when you come home you can cleanse, purify and recharge. Cleansing crystals and purifying and recharge, I did a video some days ago. You can go through on Hello Crystal page and have a look. And then when you get your crystal to your home, welcome the crystal. And also now I'm going to talk about how to welcome crystals to your life. Crystals, I mentioned previously on my videos, they are alive. They are not just stones. They are alive. They can feel your emotion. They can feel your energies. They have a plenty of high vibration energies. They have pulse, they have heartbeat, they have feelings. So how you feel, how you welcome your new crystal to your new life and to yourself. What I do personally, let's say I have selenite. This is a self-cleansing crystal massage wand. I use it for many purposes, for many health benefits. This is my best friend. For every night I just keep it in middle of my chest and cleanse and purify and activate all my chakras before I go to bed. And also crystal selenite wand or a rough piece, it will help you to purify and clear your auras. So every day in the night before I sleep, I clear my auras. Because our auras need to be clean. If it's bad and dirty and dark in color, that's meaning it's contains a lot of negative and unwanted energies from bad eyes, from other people, negative energies. So I usually cleanse and purify and clear my auras before I sleep, before I ending my day. So in the morning my auras, it's shining, brightening and filled with a lot of positive energies. And then you take your crystal selenite wand and just place them in your chest and welcome them, and let the crystal to feel your heartbeat and your love, your emotions, your feelings, and be connected with your crystal. And in this way you can welcome your new crystal to your home. And today in this video you came to know how to choose your crystal, how the crystal chooses you, and how to welcome your crystal to your new home to your life. I hope this information makes sense, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching a page, Hello Crystals, and I'll see you soon with one of the new video with useful information for your crystal collections. Enjoy your day, and crystal clear, wonderful day for you all.